once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you have not already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see right here, we're going to be making some chicken nuggets, I suppose. I'm actually going to call these chicken nuggets. Are they the best chicken nuggets in the world? I really do think so. This is a chicken pakoda or pakoda. Minced chicken with a basin flour, some spices. So easy these are. I often make these for my kids as well, but you know, these have got fresh chili in that. I take them out, so you could do that as well. These are lovely, spicy, beautiful little dip. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's have a look at what we're going to be using for this one. So minced chicken, there's like 400 grams there. This is basin flour or chickpea flour, 4 tablespoons I'm using. So, you know, 4 tablespoons, depending on what you've got, you can work it out. Some cilantro or coriander. I've got like 2 heaped teaspoons of garlic ginger paste there. 1 small onion chopped. Some fresh chilies, there's like 4 or 5 there, but you can kind of choose how you want to put them in. Teaspoon of chili powder and about a teaspoon or 2 of garam masala powder. The only other thing we're going to add is a little bit of salt. What we're going to do is get this in my food processor and give it a little whiz up. If you haven't got a food processor, you can do this by hand. You can get it all in and just give it a really good mix up. Maybe get some sort of gloves on and mash it up. That's up to you. But I'm going to go for the food processor. A little bit of salt's going to go in. That's it. Okay, so my chicken's in. In goes the flour, the onion, garam masala powder, chili powder, fresh chili, minced garlic ginger paste, and the coriander or the cilantro. 1 minute, give it a mix. Back then. Okay, there you go. You can see the consistency there. Slightly moist, but holds together really nicely. Let me get that in a bowl. Okay, so now I've got a pan or a wok or whatever you want. I've got some oil in there. As you can see, I'm using a sunflower oil. You could be using something different if you want. There's our mixture. And by the way, I did put some salt in. You just didn't see me do that. So a little bit of salt for taste. So now what we need to do, I want to sort of grab, I'm using a little kind of spoon like that. You want to sort of grab some of it. Now, if you make it really smooth, it's not going to kind of come out so good. I kind of like a few of these kind of rough edges, you know? That sort of stuff. Let's check this oil out. That's looking good. So a few little rough edges, make them as any shape you want. You don't want the oil mad hot, because it'll just burn on the outside and it'll be raw on the inside. So we're going to cook these on a kind of, you know, hot oil, as you can see, but not crazy. And we're going to cook these just for about 3 to 4 minutes. I'm just going to load this in now. And another thing to do is not crowd the pan. We'll probably do this in a few batches. I'll be flipping them over in a minute. So as you can see, a beautiful, beautiful colour, and gently frying. Like I say, very important. You don't want to just blacken them outside and then raw meat inside. So this size that I've got here, these have been going about 3, just nearly 4 minutes now. Obviously you can make them much smaller or bigger, that's up to you. So these are looking absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to get them out, I'm going to put them onto some kitchen paper, just to sort of absorb any excess oil. I'm then going to repeat the process because I've got quite a bit more here. And these are fantastic served with, you know, some chili chutney or spicy mayonnaise or yogurt, you know, raita or something like that, you know. Up to you. Right, I'm going to go back in. I'll see you at the table when they're done. I'm just popping back while they're going, just to show you one that's done there. Just let's open it up, and you can see that it's perfectly cooked inside. Let's have a taste. Beautiful. Okay, there you go. Really, really simple. I really love these. They're so easy. I'm serving this with a bit of chili sauce. That's quite a hot chili sauce, but like I say, you can use something more mild if you want, or creamy. They're absolutely delicious. They don't take any time at all. Are they the best chicken nuggets in the world? I think so. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.